The other night when I came in, so drunk I could not see, I got tangled up in the old door mat, fell flat as I could be. I had me a little old bottle of rum, and I didn't have any more. The cap flew off when I went down, and I spilled it in the floor. A rat came out of his hiding place, he got that whiskey scent. He ran right up in, he got a little shot, and back to his hole he went. Back to his hole he went, right back to his hole he went. He ran right up in, he got a little shot, and back to his hole he went. The rat came out of his hole again, he sided up to the rum on the floor. Was a little bit shy, but he winked one eye, and he got him a little bit more. He didn't go back to his hole that time, but he stayed by the puddle of gin. He said, doggone my pop-eyed soul, I'm gonna get drunk again. He washed his face with his front feet, and on his hind legs sat, with a twisted smile and a half-closed eye, says, where's that doggone cat? And he didn't go back to his hole. He said, doggone my soul, I'm only a rat, but a doggone cat can't run me back to my hole. His little old eyes began to shine as he lapped up more and more, and it made me glad that I had stumbled and spilled it on the floor. But soon the puddle of rum was gone, and there wasn't any more gin. The little old rat was a-having a time when the old tomcat came in. The cat made a pass and the rat made a dash, his boldness faded then. The cat jumped over and the rat got sober, ran back to his hole again. Ran back to his hole again, ran back to his hole again. The cat jumped over and the rat got sober, ran back to his hole again.
Well, we're at the home of Doc Watson's and his family, which I'm very happy to be here. This is Doc and his son Merle to my right, and my son Randy and Stevie behind me. And we're going to attempt to just play a few tunes that, well, it's completely unrehearsed, so
being unrehearsed, it'll come out kind of like it would if we were just having a natural get-together. And we'll just make
that's what it is.
We'll
Yes,
just make
sir.
that out of it, and not worry about usually it'll sound better if you don't rehearse it. let's do old John Hardy there. Oh, see
John
that
Hardy?
sound? Yeah. Virginia line.
So much for that. Play one that we might take some breaks on, and you do some singing too.
Well, I don't know if Randy can play guitar breaks on Cripple Creek. I can. I can do guitar breaks on it.
I can try.
You go right ahead.
Okay. That was taken home.
Make way for the Molly Maguires. They're drinkers, they're liars, but they're men. Make way for the Molly Maguires. You'll never see the likes of them again. Down the mines, though sunlight shines, the pits as black as hell. Mud and slime, they do their time. It's Paddy's prison cell. And they curse the day they traveled far and drown their tears in a jar. So make way for the Molly Maguires. They're drinkers, they're liars, but they're men. Make way for the Molly Maguires. You'll never see the likes of them again. Backs will break and muscles ache. Down there, there's no time to dream of fields and farms. A woman's arms just dig that bloody seam. Though they break their bodies underground, who'll dare to push them around? So make way for the Molly Maguires. They're drinkers, they're liars, but they're men. Make way for the Molly Maguires. You'll never see the likes of them again. So make way for the Molly Maguires. They're drinkers, they're liars, but they're men. Make way for the Molly Maguires. You'll never see the likes of them again.
How's that, okay? Try something new. I got a song I'd like to play for my drummer, Slim Jim Phantom on the drums.
James. Hang on, children. I got a gal and bought it for little Liza Jane. 3,500 by no little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. Little Liza Jane, I'll take back the chair to see little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. Lord, I feel so unnecessary. Oh, that pretty gal, ought she mind little Liza Jane? I'd look at the rest and find little Liza Jane. Oh,